What if I told you there's an animal that can live without a head for weeks? Well, there are actually several animals that can survive without heads, and they can do so for days or even weeks. But this isn't the only bizarre fact I'm going to share with you today. So stick around till the end of this video, because I've got 7 fascinating animal facts you won't believe coming up. Number 4. A broken heart could be a legitimate cause of death. Next time, be careful not to fall in love too hard. It turns out that a broken heart could be a legitimate cause of death. Next time, be careful not to fall in love too hard. In 1998, a 34-year-old woman died from a broken heart just 1 month after her boyfriend passed away. Doctors were able to find no other cause of death and officially ruled it as a broken heart. Even though it's rare, doctors have recorded similar cases since then. One scientist who specializes in broken heart syndrome says that it is estimated to account for 20 deaths per 100,000 people per year. And although it is more common in women, men are also susceptible to it. Number 3. A group of male parrots will isolate a female from the flock in order to mate with her turn by turn. Parrots aren't known for being the most faithful animals. And in some species, males will isolate a female from the flock in order to mate with her turn by turn. These groups of male parrots are known as a harem. And the males will often fight each other to determine who gets to mate with the female first. Once the lucky parrot has mated with the female, he will then leave the group and let the next male take his place. 2. A new species of jellyfish was recently discovered that can revert back to its larval stage when it reaches sexual maturity. This means that once these jellyfish reach maturity, they essentially start the process all over again. They shrink their bodies back down to the size of a larva and begin swimming around in the water column where they feed on plankton. This discovery was made in 2010 when a team of researchers found a giant jellyfish that had reverted back to its larval stage. The jellyfish was captured and brought to a laboratory where it was studied for months. During this time, the jellyfish continued to shrink and eventually reached a size of only 1 millimeter. Number 1. Forget bird baths. Birds will cover themselves in mud and eat the bugs that get stuck on their bodies. This may sound gross to us humans, but birds have been doing this for centuries. And it's actually a very effective way to get rid of parasites like mites and lice. Plus, the birds get a tasty treat at the same time. Number 6. Some spiders can sense danger through vibrations in the air and on the ground. When a spider feels a vibration that is too powerful or too close for comfort, they run away. They know that predators, such as birds or lizards, are usually the cause of these vibrations. Number 5. Some fish can climb trees. Climbing perch are known for their ability to climb trees, which allows them to access new feeding grounds and escape predators. They use their strong pectoral fins to grip branches and leaves and their elongated pelvic fins to help them move around on land. They can stay out of water for hours at a time and have been observed climbing trees up to 30 meters high. 7. Squirrels can't smile and breathe at the same time. If you've ever seen a squirrel with its mouth open, you may have noticed that it can't breathe at the same time. This is because the muscles that squirrels use to breathe are the same ones they use to hold their mouths open. This makes it impossible for them to do both things at once. So next time you see a squirrel, take a close look at its mouth. Number 8. The platypus is one of only 2 mammals that lay eggs. The other mammal that lays eggs is the echidna. Both of these animals are found in Australia and are part of a group of mammals known as monotremes. Platypuses are semi-aquatic and spend a lot of time in the water. They have webbed feet and a duck-like bill that they use to steer themselves through the water. Echidnas, on the other hand, are more terrestrial and can be found in a variety of habitats. They have a more mammal-like appearance with furry bodies and long snouts. Despite their differences in appearance and habitat, both platypuses and echidnas are closely related and belong to the same group of animals. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss any of our awesome videos. And be sure to stay tuned for more animal facts. We'll see you next time.